Okay, we were going through the process of, if I remember right here. Okay, yeah, we were finishing this problem where we were asked to break this into linear factors, this big polynomial, if we were given that k equals -2 was a double root, had a multiplicity of 2, right? And the first time we did this, we went through and we multiplied out x plus 2, foiled that out, and got the quadratic factor x squared plus 4x plus 4. And we just divided that into our polynomial using long division. We had to use long division there because we were dividing by a polynomial that was quadratic and that wasn't linear, right? Okay, the other alternative, though, is we could use synthetic division twice, and we could nest our synthetic division. So here's what we're going to finish up the problem from last time, right? We know that -2 is guaranteed to be a 0 of this polynomial, and so we'll just run it through synthetically. Here are the coefficients of f of x. Here's the 0 that we're going to divide through synthetically, and we know that has to end up being 0 because it is a 0. So if we do the math, what do we get? If we do the math here, we get, bring the 1 down, 1 times -2 is -2 plus 3 is 1, right? Times -2 is -2, add those and I get -44. Times -2 is positive 88. And what's that giving me? 64. -60. Oh, what the heck happened here? Something's weird. I made a mistake, obviously, somewhere. -44. Oh, yeah. That's not 64. That's 84. -84, right? -2 times -84 is 168, and those add to 0, sure enough, okay? Okay, so that's good. So that tells me that when I divide f of x by x plus 2, x minus -2, I get this quartic polynomial, this cubic polynomial, sorry. X cubed plus x squared minus 44x minus 84, right? Do it again, right? We can just make another nested synthetic division bracket right here. And I'm going to run -2 through again because it's a double root. And what has to end up there? Has to be 0 because we know it's a double 0. It's going to give us 0 twice. We had 2 factors of x plus 2. And so we go through the process again, bring the 1 down. 1 times -2 is -2 plus 1 is -1. It gives me 2, gives me -42, gives me positive 84, and sure enough, I get 0. Okay? So what's my other factor then? What is q of x going to be? What's the other factor when I divide f of x by x plus 2 twice? It's right there, isn't it? Right? Okay, so we end up with x squared minus x minus 42. That's my q of x, isn't it? Everybody see that? Give me thumbs. Okay. All right, so then we can go up to this statement up here and we can replace the q of x with what we know it to be now, and we get f of x equals x plus 2 squared times x squared minus x minus 42. Well, that's already factored, right? That's not, though, but we could factor that with magic numbers. What would they be? Yeah, negative 7 and 6. Everybody agree? So we did it. We got f of x written in completely factored form. Okay? All right. Good. Okay, so next, that's it for that one. Let me stop this recording.